Hello everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at the SNAPTAIN SP350. And we want to thank the great people at SNAPTAIN for sending this out for us to look at. This is just a little mini indoor quadcopter that has some nice features on it. It's got the throw and go, the 360 flip, the altitude hold, the headless mode, the 1-key return, and circle fly. So it has some features on there. What we're going to do is get it out of the box and take a look at it. Alright, here we go out of the box. This is all the stuff that's in there. All packed in there, super nice. Super nice. You got your charger, and it's got the dual port charger. SNAPTAIN, I think they're the ones that actually started doing that. So there it is. That's nice. You can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and they give you 3 batteries. Here's 2 of them here, and the other one is in the quadcopter right there. See that? And you see the on and off switch right there? There it is right there. So the battery goes in there and plugs in right there. Snaps together like that. There's the 4 solid core motors on there. Nice. And it has a little light on the front right here. See that? No camera. Nice build. Nice build. Here's the transmitter. Takes 2 AAA batteries. There's that right there. Here's your rates right here. There's your emergency stop. Here's your headless mode. And here's your flips. Here's your takeoff and land. There's your power. See? That's your power right there. Then here's your trim buttons right here. Looks good. There's your cover for your battery compartment. Here's your prop removal tool. There's your spare props right there. And here's your manual. Here's the quick start guide, and then here's the full manual, you know, the one with all the different languages and all that. But the quick start guide is probably all you're going to need for this. There's really it's not that complicated, trust me. This is easy stuff. Easy stuff right here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to just take it off out here in the kitchen real quick, just to spin it around in the kitchen so you can get a feel for it, you know, how it flies, and do a couple flips and stuff like that. And then I'm going to take it over there to the office building, and we're going to fly it outside a little bit. Let's start it up. Turn it on and off here. Turn on the transmitter. Wind it up. There's the level calibration down and to the right. Let's just take off. You see that light there in the front. Now let's try the emergency stop button here and see how that works. Works like a champ. Alright guys, let's get it outside and fly it. Hey guys, I'm up here at the pool with the SP350. Now I tried to fly it outside yesterday and it just didn't work out. So we're going to fly it up here because of the wind. I mean, it is real small and it is real light, and it was about it wasn't that much wind, believe me, about 3 miles an hour, and it just wouldn't, I mean, it didn't crash or anything like that, but the wind was pushing it this way and that way, and it just couldn't get any feel for it. So I figured I'd just bring it up here and we'll test the battery and the handling. So this is basically going to be an indoor type quad for you. All right, guys. All righty, here we go. We got the level calibration. We're going to put the rate up and take off. Flies real good. Oh, I see I got a couple burned out lights over there. That's not good. Okay, steer's great. Let me try this tapping this little. Okay, that's the headless mode. We don't want that. That's tapping this button here, but if you hold it down, it's supposed to be, what, return to home or something? Let's try that out. Yeah, if you just hold it in, it just does a return to home, so. Let's see what this button here is supposed to do with 360 spins. Or hold it in, let me see. That was the emergency stop. Thank God we didn't do that over the pool. Let's take off again. Okay, that one is the emergency stop. I meant to hit the one right before that. Okay, hold that one in. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it just does this little spinorama type deal. Let me bring it right back up again. I know everybody wants to see a drop in the water, but I don't. Okay. I don't want that to happen, okay? Let me put it in the second rate and see how quick it is. The second rate and the third rate don't seem to be too different. They seem to be about the same. Really steers nice, guys. Really steers nice. Well, as far as flying goes, it's another winner from SNAPTAIN, another great little indoor quad. Yeah, flies great, man. Haven't lost a bind on it or anything, so the range on it is pretty decent. I'll put the old battery clock in there for you. So the battery's still hanging because I'm still able to do the flips. Oh yeah, it steers great. Now I gotta climb up on that ladder and get them to change them light bulbs. That sucks. No, it flies great, guys. I mean, this thing flies fantastic. I'm just trying to wear out the battery, that's all. That's all I'm doing. I don't remember what the size of the battery was, but I think it was like a 150. Okay, here it comes. Let me get it back over here before it falls in the pool. Okay, so we're just gonna let it ride out here for a minute. Try to get as much time on there as we can. Don't that beeping just annoy the hell out of you? Sure does me. There it goes. All right, guys. There you go. SNAPTAIN SP350. Flies great, just not in the wind. I'm gonna try to get a couple of minutes of outside video to put on the end of this if I can, but I'm not promising because it's been windy here for the last week, so I don't know. I might not be able to get it, but we'll put the flight time and everything in there and you'll see what it does. You can see it flies great, so the steering and all that is right on, dead on, so that's all you need to worry about, to be honest. All right, guys, have a nice